Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to learn how to create this toggle animation in Canva using only your smartphone. Open Canva and go to mobile videos. Choose a blank canvas and go to elements. When you get to elements, go to shapes and choose a pill shape. Reposition your shape and increase the size of your pill shape. We are now going to give our canvas some color. Go to color and then choose any color you like, but for this tutorial let's choose this purplish color. We are now going to change the color of our shape. In the toolbar, go to color and then choose a white color. Go back to elements and choose a circle shape. Reduce the size of the circle so that it fits properly into the pill shape. Go back to elements and in the search bar type sunlight. Go to graphics and go to the second row and choose the image in the middle. Place your image onto your canvas and make sure that it fits into the pill shape. Now go to text, choose a text box and in the text box type day. Increase the size of your text and put it on top of your shape pill. Now for our second frame, duplicate the first frame. Duplicate the frame once more. We are going to go back to the second frame because we are going to work on the second frame this time. First, we are going to start by changing our text. This time around, we can write night. Go to elements. In the search bar, type night. Go to graphics and choose any of these images. Before you can position your moon, you have to delete the image of the sun. And then again, we are going to change the color of our shape to black. Now we're going to move our circle shape to the right and then take our image and put it into our pill shape. Now what we're going to do, we're going to duplicate our frame again. Now we are going to shuffle our frames. Go to the second frame and then move that frame to your left hand side. This is how your timeline is going to look like. We're now going to add transitions. Tap on the plus icon and go to transitions. Choose the match and move transition. You can apply this transition between all the pages. We can reduce the duration of our frames to 0.8 seconds. And then you can apply this duration to all the pages. Just toggle this button and then the duration is applied to all the frames. You can also make this animation longer by creating multiple duplicates of each frame. And this is our final project. If you found value in today's video, please like, subscribe and comment. Until we see each other in the next video, peace out.